people think that a lot of money is needed if they want to start trading or investing. That is not true. वैसे ही अगर आप डेली स्क्रीन देखते हो तो आपका ट्रेड या इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं चलने वाला.
What's this?
Algo trading,
This?
cash flow. We do watch a lot of videos, we do watch reels, YouTube videos, news channel, और उसके बेसिस पे हम तुरंत इन्वेस्ट करते हैं.
चाहे एंटरप्रेन्योरशिप की बात हो या स्पोर्ट्स की, हमारे देश के महिलाओं ने हर जगह अपनी छाप छोड़ी है और फाइनेंशियल मार्केट्स की फील्ड भी इससे अलग नहीं है. हेलो एंड वेलकम टू XM ट्रेड टॉक सीजन 2. I am Chris Choker, your host. Today's guest is not only a certified research analyst but also a popular content creator who focuses on long-term investing, financial education and people taking control of their finances. So let's welcome ब्रह्मी कपासी जी, जिनके साथ हम इन्वेस्टिंग, रिसर्च और फाइनेंशियल अवेयरनेस के बारे में बहुत ही इंसाइटफुल बातें करेंगे. ब्रह्मी जी, सबसे पहले वेलकम टू द शो. How can a beginner investor start their market research? What are the few small steps that they can take?
Firstly, I believe that people think that a lot of money is needed if they want to start trading or investing. That is not true. There are multiple instruments available in market wherein you can start with only few amount, okay? And I would like to say more on this because what happens is we do not research before investing. As I told you, मेरा खुद का भी example अगर लोगे, I have always, when I started, I invested because friend ने पैसा double किया है, then on the basis of news. So I recently, we were having a party at my home and my cousin is around 21-22 years. She said कि उसने ना डीमैट अकाउंट खोल दिया है and now she wants to start investing. So then I was very happy कि wow, at a very young age she is starting to invest and everything. जोश है काफ़ी वो investment का. But then I asked her only one question, कौन से stock में invest करने वाली है? So she simply said कि मैंने news में वो particular stock देखा था and I saw that my friends are also talking about that particular stock. तो मैं भी उसी stock में invest करने वाली हूँ. I told her that this is not the right way because जब हम छोटे रहते हैं ना, we do make this mistake कि हम न्यूज़ के बेसिस पे हम एक स्ट्रक्चर्ड लर्निंग नहीं मिलती हमें. ओके हम न्यूज़ के बेसिस पे फ्रेंड्स को देख के या किसी फैमिली मेम्बर ने बोल दिया, चाचा मामा ने, हाँ हमने उसमें इन्वेस्ट कर दिया, बट दैट्स नॉट द स्ट्रक्चर्ड लर्निंग. सो आई थिंक देयर इज दिस प्लेटफॉर्म XM प्लेटफॉर्म जहाँ पे एवरी वीक दे आर हैविंग देयर यूट्यूब लाइव, they are having their webinars which is in Hindi. तो यहाँ से आप multiple चीज़ें सीख सकते हो. Yes, anything about charts, fundamental analysis, technical analysis. Because what happens is हमने कहीं से कोई YouTube वीडियो देखी, ओके वहाँ पे बोला है कि RSI above 70 means overbought zone, so we will not buy it. But what if that RSI above 70 का level is going to give you more 20% returns? If you are a trader, you would understand this. So if you want a structured learning, then XM is the platform where you can go and learn the things.
Awesome, Brahmi ji. You just mentioned fundamental analysis and technical analysis. Can you explain to us what are the differences between the two? When should you trade fundamentally or when should you analyze technically?
Okay. So if you see, most of the people would say that fundamental analysis is for long-term investing and technical analysis is for trading or short-term position or positional trading. But I would say even if you are an investor, you can use both fundamentals plus technicals for your long-term investment.
Any tools that come to your mind when someone asks you for tips कि यार, I can use these tools to decide which trade to enter?
Last year, this is one of my favorite not just tool but a chart pattern, I would say. This is one of my favorite chart pattern. So I did all this research of research of that particular stock and growth story देख लिया, numbers देख लिया, company के promoters देख लिए, सारा चीज़ देख लिया. Then I went into technicals and I saw it was breaking 10 years का cup and handle. So this is one of my favorite chart pattern, cup and handle. If it is giving you a breakout with a volume, then it will give you at least 3x returns. So I did find that last year I have made almost 3x in that particular stock. Now it's almost on consolidation, but still I'm expecting more to go. So I would say कि whenever you see, it's not just कि support line draw कर लिया but if you are getting that, okay, it's breaking the chart pattern for this many years, for example 8 years, 10 years, then you are going to get that returns.
So can you tell us about one favorite trade of yours that you've taken in these years, and what has it taught you in life?
Okay, so see, I would talk about two things. Firstly, we already spoken about that cup and handle chart pattern, which has given me multiple securities, and I have invested and I have got more than 3x returns in all the securities. But apart from that, I also realized that we just talk about stocks every time, but there is more to investing. Like if you see, gold has given more than 16% CAGR return in last 10 years. Okay, so whenever as I'm wealth advisor as well, whenever I talk to my clients, I do tell them that not just stocks, but there should be different kind of securities in your portfolio. Be it you are doing forex trading, be it you are doing gold investing, or be it any kind of other securities. Okay, there are n number of securities. So gold investing is also something I have started since last year.
So can you tell me a few tips that you could give for those women who are a bit interested in the market, but yet they are also very skeptical? उनको थोड़ा डर है, थोड़ा uncertainty है. तो वैसे लोगों को how would you tell them to start?
Firstly, I would always prefer education and execution goes hand in hand. क्या होता है ना, वी डू वॉच अ लॉट ऑफ वीडियोस, वी डू वॉच रील्स, यूट्यूब वीडियोस, न्यूज़ चैनल, और उसके बेसिस पे हम तुरंत इन्वेस्ट करते हैं. बट आई वुड से कि येस, एजुकेशन के साथ एग्जीक्यूशन भी करो. ऐसा नहीं है कि मैंने सारी चीज़ें लिख दी और फिर 2 साल तक मैंने कुछ नहीं किया. वी हैव टू एग्जीक्यूट. एंड व्हाट हैपेंस, बिकॉज यहाँ पे अगर मार्केट में अगर कोई गलती होती है, उसका डायरेक्ट रिपोर्केशन आपके बैंक बैलेंस पे होगा. If you make losses, you are going to lose your money, right? So there are demo accounts available in market. Okay, so I use this demo account by XM, and they are very good to handle, right? Because I'm not into forex trading, so now I'm learning forex trading, but I cannot go and actually use my money. So by virtual money, I can use this demo account and I can trade. I can see how the things are going. So education I am taking from webinars of Excel, and I'm executing it by using the demo accounts of Excel.
Very well said, ma'am. Very well said that you need to take the proper learnings from the right mentors and the right resources, but you also need to do a demo or you can do a trial run from the right trading platform.
Right.
So today's conversation has a lot of insightful things to take away for every beginner, every woman. But if you would have to put it in 3 steps, let's say there's someone who wants to start trading or wants to start investing, what are the 3 steps that they should take from the start to be a good investor?
Okay. See, first is ना, एक बहुत बड़े mistake लोग करते हैं. If you are a trader or investor, you continuously keep on watching your screen. ओके, आई वुड से जैसे एक कोई भी रिलेशनशिप में किटकिट अगर आप डेली करते हो तो वो नहीं चलेगी. वैसे ही अगर आप डेली स्क्रीन देखते हो तो आपका ट्रेड या इन्वेस्टमेंट नहीं चलने वाला है. सो वन ऑफ द थिंग इज गिव टाइम टू मार्केट. आप इन्वेस्टर हो, ट्रेडर हो, कुछ भी हो, गिव टाइम टू मार्केट. सेकेंड आई वुड ऑलवेज से इज कंसिस्टेंसी इज द की. आई टोल्ड यू ना कि एक खाली प्रॉफिट के पीछे मत भागो, आप अपना सिस्टम बनाओ. Once you make that system, make sure कि you are following that system for every trade or every investment you do, and that way you will build the consistency. And consistency जब बनती है तो आपका profit भी दिखेगा.
If you have to sum all your insights, all the knowledge that you've gained over the almost a decade of investing and trading, what is the one golden rule that you follow at all times throughout?
I just follow this one thing, that is discipline. Most of the investors and traders are most disciplined people you would ever meet, but I would say still there is a lack of discipline. क्या होता है ना, today's if you see youth ना, they consume a lot of content online, YouTube, Reels. हम खुद भी Reels बनाते हैं. Most people are watching it. Even my insight says 18 to 25 people, 18 to 25 years की age के लोग बहुत देखते हैं. But they are just consuming it. They are not applying it. So I would say कि जब आप consistently सिर्फ चीज़ें देख रहे हो ना, तो consistently apply भी करो. So this is like, don't just watch the content. Go into the context and understand why it is being made for you.
So yeah, discipline is important, and in spite of how much, no matter how much you are learning throughout the day, throughout the month, executing it and taking action on it is also important.
Right.
तो इतने insightful conversation के बाद it's time to have a fun segment. It's a very simple game. I'll show you a few cue cards which have a few emojis on them. You have to simply guess which stock market term it is. What's this?
I'll go trading,
This?
cash flow, cash flow.
Awesome. That was quick. This?
Bear run or bear market.
Must. This one?
Portfolio.
Lovely. This one?
Gold trading.
This one?
Stop loss, which people don't apply.
Awesome. Which everyone should apply. This one?
Bull run.
This one?
Forex trading.
Awesome. This one should be difficult.
Trade. No, not able to recognize.
So look at this and you tell us in the comments below what market term is this. So that was this episode. Thank you so much Brahmi ji for joining us and adding so much value to our traders. अगर आपका भी कोई इन्वेस्टमेंट से रिलेटेड सवाल है तो लेट अस नो इन द कमेंट्स बिलो. और ट्रेडिंग से रिलेटेड और वीडियोस देखने के लिए फॉलो कीजिए XM इंडिया के YouTube चैनल को. And don't forget to press the bell icon before we say until next time, keep learning, stay disciplined and happy trading.